So today we're going to do a review of the DeWalt 20 volt 12-inch chainsaw. And I have a 2 amp hour battery and a 5 amp hour battery that we're going to test for runtime and performance. And we're going to be testing it on some freshly fallen oak. So first we have the 2 amp hour battery in it. It did actually pretty good, better than I thought. So now I'm going to do a runtime test, see how long I can get out of this 2 amp hour battery. I'm going to go cut up some of those branches up there. So I got a good amount of branches cut up and got a couple logs done too. Struggle a bit at the end on the bigger ones. So now we're going to try it with the little bit bigger 5 amp hour battery. So I got a couple more rounds done, and I got a bunch more branches taken out. Can't really see them since it's so dark, and pretty good way up the tree done too.